Application onboarding is the biggest bottleneck in identity governance. Onboard.id was built to fix that. This is the Onboard.id activity dashboard, your real-time view of every application onboarding request in your pipeline. At a glance, you can see total submissions, where each one stands in the review process, and how they break down by integration type. This is your program's health in one place. Inside any submission, Onboard ID's AI engine automatically researches the application for you. It produces a comprehensive brief covering federation protocols, provisioning support, access governance hooks, privileged access patterns, and common integration gotchas before a human even touches the ticket. That's hours of research done automatically. Onboard ID doesn't just gather information, it identifies exactly what's still missing. Here, the platform has flagged the outstanding configuration questions that need answers before this integration can move forward. And rather than leaving that work in a queue, you can hand it off directly to a teammate or application owner with a single click with all the context already included. Every application follows a structured, governed lifecycle, from feasibility assessment through design, configuration, testing, user acceptance, migration, and go-live validation. You can see exactly where each project stands, how long each phase took, and advance it forward when ready. Connectors and blockers are tracked in the same view, so nothing falls through the cracks. Onboard ID also includes an AI-powered IAM Assistant that understands your specific identity environment. Here, a developer asks a question about authentication protocols and gets a detailed answer tailored to this organization's infrastructure, covering integration flows, attribute scopes, token validation, single logout, and logging requirements, not generic documentation. Your environment explained. The developer follows up asking for working code to implement that authentication flow in their application. The assistant responds with a complete, ready-to-use implementation, step by step, with critical considerations for secrets management, attribute mapping, and session handling, all specific to this organization's identity provider and security standards. And when the developer asks to extend that further, adding a user governance interface with provisioning and group management, the assistant continues the conversation, delivering a full implementation without losing context. This is what it looks like when your IAM program has the right infrastructure behind it. Onboard ID, application onboarding, finally under control. Ready to see what it can do for your team? Let's talk.